In tackling fake news, Pakistan is paving the way for further suppression of dissent. The Prevention of Electronic Crimes Amendment Act 2025, approved by both the National Assembly and the Senate, is a deeply concerning expansion of state power over the digital landscape. Ostensibly aimed at countering cybercrimes and misinformation, the legislation's broad and vague language leaves loopholes easily exploited for political suppression and censorship. Given Pakistan's history of authoritarian crackdowns on dissent, it is hardly surprising that concerns are mounting over state excesses under the guise of maintaining order in cyberspace. The amendments call for the establishment of a social media protection and regulatory authority empowered to remove or block online content it deems unlawful or offensive. Of particular note is the law's emphasis on fines and imprisonment for sharing fake and harmful information, which can be arbitrarily interpreted to target critics of the government, journalists, and activists. Such concerns aren't unfounded considering Pakistan's history of weaponizing cyber laws to stifle dissent. The creation of a social media protection tribunal also raises concerns about lack of judicial independence, granting the government direct control over education, though offering a final stage of appeal before the Supreme Court. Combined with the National Cybercrime Investigation Agency, this law effectively creates a state-controlled mechanism to police online discourse with minimal oversight. The bill poses threats to press freedom, online privacy, and democratic discourse, particularly on digital platforms. Rather than ensuring online safety, it risks becoming another tool for censorship and authoritarianism under the pretext of cybersecurity. The government maintains the amendments would solely function to regulate digital media and not impact professional journalists. While no one can deny the need to curb fake news and disinformation, addressing the issue through vague and overreaching laws risks eroding fundamental freedoms. Instead, the government must establish clear legal safeguards, ensure judicial oversight, and engage with civil society, journalists, and digital rights advocates, develop policies that combat misinformation without compromising free speech. A truly democratic approach demands transparency and accountability, not unchecked power.